Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we're going to do another video about a RAVPower portable power supply. I got my granddaughter Aubrey with me today.
Hi.
And her and I are going to kind of give you a quick open box and a brief tutorial of the specifications and the use of the RAVPower 20,100 milliamp hour portable power supply. So anyways, as you guys all know, I love the portable power supplies, and it just happens to be that RAVPower makes a great group of them. For the record, I do not endorse RAVPower, nor does RAVPower pay me for these videos. I just happen to like their product because it's well built, it lasts long, and it works good. So this is the box that it comes in. This is the carrying case that the unit's in. We're going to go ahead and open that up and show you guys what it's all about. Aubrey, why don't you go ahead and open that up? So there it is, folks. It's about 6 inches tall, it looks like, about 2 inches around, and it's kind of a square cubey thing.
Feels weird.
It does, huh? It's really cool looking.
Soft.
It's a little bit on the heavy side, but not really. Weighs maybe a pound. And up here on the top is where you plug in you got a 3-prong AC outlet. That's a maximum of 60 watts, or 65 watts maximum, I'm sorry. And then you've got your QI Smart USB, so you can charge 2.4 amps or 3 amps if you have a QI device like a Samsung S9 or a Galaxy S9 or a Note 8 and all the above. And then you've got another little port on there, the Type C out port, which is right here, yep. And then we've got a little power button. And then we got our light indicator. So let's turn this thing on. It's almost fully charged. Yeah, it's got 5 little lights on it. And there's that. So
there's 4 little blue.
Yeah. All right, guys. So now that we got this thing out of the box, I'll tell you a little bit about it. First of all, I want to say, RAVPower makes a nice product. They're very sleek. They're very nice and professional. This is got little vents on the bottom for its heating or whatnot, so it can vent. This will charge your iPhone, your iPod, your Galaxy S8, your Note 8, whatever, all that stuff. But the nice thing about this is, like, if you have like a laptop computer, yeah, your Mac, that's right. If you've got a laptop computer or a MacBook or something, you can just plug it right in there, and this will run it. This has got enough wattage to run your MacBook Pro or any laptop for that matter that's 65 watts or under. It's got a 3-prong outlet on it, but I don't think it's grounded. I think it's really just a 2-prong, but it shows a 3-prong plug, so you can pretty much plug in any device, which is really cool. All right, so Aubrey's going to tell you about the charging specs of this device and how many charges you can expect to get out of your MacBook or your iPhone or even out of your iPad mini. So Aubrey, take it away.
A 12-inch MacBook gets 1 full charge. An iPhone 10 gets 4 full charges. iPad mini gets 2.2 full charges. And you can charge
a Galaxy S9.
Yeah, you can do Samsung.
Yep, Samsung, yep.
Can you do TV?
You could run a small TV, but not for very long. You could do a Surface Pro, right?
Yeah.
Or you could even do a Dell XPS 13.
There's a lot of stuff.
There's a lot of stuff you can do. So, go ahead.
But I think it's really cool. Because you get to charge it in a lot of things.
That's right. And where can you take it?
Anywhere you go.
Anywhere you go.
Anywhere you go.
Anywhere. Can you lift it up? Is it heavy for you?
No.
No? That's pretty light. Let's compare it to my iPhone 10 and see how big it is.
See.
So anyways, here's my iPhone 10 side by side. So it's a little bit wider than that unit. It's the exact same height. And of course, it's a little bit thicker. Yeah. But all in all, good little package. What would you charge with this?
My phone and my iPad.
Your phone and your iPad?
And my iPod.
And your iPod.
Oh yeah, we didn't mention the iPod.
The iPod, so we can do an iPod, right?
Yeah.
So let them know.
You can also do an iPod.
You could simultaneously charge your iPhone or any of your other devices, as well as power your MacBook Pro through the USB-C port right here, or you can just plug it in directly. So you could, in fact, run 3 products at one time out of this unit. You could use a regular USB, a USB-C, and 110 volt peripheral. So however you want to do it. So let's get something, let's charge some stuff. Anyways, Aubrey and I, we grabbed a couple of things to show you guys how it works. We've got one of our studio lights plugged in right here, and then we've got an iPad. Aubrey, plug the iPad in, please.
Yes.
But plug it in right there. And there goes the iPad, as you can see, which is already charged. And then we have this little light that you can see the handy dandy cord goes right into here. Turn that dial right there a little bit, Aubrey. Now it's on. Now turn it up. There we go. And so you guys can get an idea of how much extra light we now have in the studio. Look at Aubrey, she's overexposed. Anyway, so guys, this is an awesome little device. I love this thing, and I'm going to keep this for myself, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. You got anything else? And my family, that's right, of course.
Yeah,
you guys use it more than I do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that you do.
No.
Would you buy one of these? With your money?
Maybe. Yeah, for myself.
Yeah, for yourself. So would you buy one? Or not? You wouldn't have to.
Yeah.
You would?
But how much? That's $100.
That's one thing that we didn't talk about. That's right. We didn't tell anybody how much it cost. Tell them how much it cost.
100, which is $100.
Right, or $99.99. And where did we buy that? Amazon.
Oh, sorry.
All right, we bought it at Amazon.
Bought it on Amazon. I thought you were like, were you like the store or something?
Right, no, we bought it at Amazon. It was $99.99, or as you like to say, $100. Hey, everybody. Anyways, I'm Wes. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Did the best we could. First time with Aubrey on a tech video.
Make sure you go check out my channel. It's Princess Aubrey. And make sure you go check out Trey21. That's my brother.
Yep.
Make sure you also go check out his channel, Wes That Tech Guy.
That would be cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, are we done?
Yep.
Be sure to
Like and subscribe
and share.
And share.
All right.
And comment on our videos.
And comment on our videos.
Yes.
Good comments.
See you all next time.
See you all the next time.
Bye.